You searched how to buy shares of Trimble Inc. In this short guide, we show the basics. Trimble is a technology company serving construction, surveying, and mapping, listed on NASDAQ with the ticker TRMB. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TRMB. Select the Trimble Inc. listing from NASDAQ to make sure you have the correct stock. On the Trimble stock page, review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker before proceeding to order. To invest, select Buy and enter the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may become a pending market order. If your funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, the Trimble position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to the platform is in the description below.